How nice if we can make restaurant style naans at home for family and gatherings, that too in a healthier way. Here I am with such a wonderful recipe, whole wheat naans with less effort and faster way. These naans will be super tasty, perfect in texture, soft on one side, little hard on other side, exactly same like restaurant style. You can make these naans so easily on stove top, can get same effect as tandoor. Look at the beautiful texture. Could you believe these are made without all-purpose flour and oil? I used only a little butter at the end. Enjoy these naans without any guilt. It's a perfect delight for your family. Let's get started. Add 2 cups of whole wheat flour in a bowl. This recipe is good for making 8 to 9 naans. Add half a teaspoon sugar or 1 teaspoon if you like sweetish. Half a teaspoon baking powder. Quarter teaspoon baking soda. Half a teaspoon salt. Mix all dry ingredients once. Now it's time to add wet ingredients. Add half a cup yogurt or curd. Add half a cup warm water in batches. Mix all together well. Now knead with hands to make semi-soft dough like roti dough. It gets easy to knead dough by adding water in little quantities. Grease dough with just 4 to 5 drops of oil. Cover with a lid or cloth and rest it for an hour. After 1 hour, knead the dough once. Take a little dough and make balls. If you have any leftover dough, keep in airtight container in fridge. Stays fresh for 3 to 4 days. Now it's time to roll the naan. Take some wheat flour for dusting and start rolling dough ball with rolling pin. Roll like a roti. Doesn't need to be too thick or too thin. You can make in any shape. So here is the trick. Take normal water and apply on top. Heat tawa on stove. Once it's hot, place the naan. Make sure watered side should be touching tawa so that it will stick well. Once you see bubbles popping up, flip the tawa and put it on direct heat. Then reduce the flame to medium. If needed, keep adjusting tawa a little to cook naan evenly. You should get little burnt marks on top like tandoori. As you see, no need to add oil in flour or on tawa. When naan is hot, apply butter on top side. Naans are ready to serve. As you see how nice and easy these naans are. That's perfect color and crunch. Hope you enjoy these naans with your favorite curries. Stay tuned for many more awesome, healthy and tasty options. Thanks for watching.